Hi everyone, I'm Tammy, I'm the Siberian Wind, and last week we worked on the Nocturnal Soul Quilt Along. And I got a little bit ahead of schedule because last week, if you remember, I went ahead and assembled my Witchfire stars and my lunar slivers. However, this week is when you probably should be working on those, but that's okay because I now have all of those assembled into their sashings. So you are going to take your two of your Witchfire stars, and you're going to put them in your longer piece of border. Mine is pretty long. So I've got those, and these are going to go at the tops and bottoms of your quilt. You will also have sashing strips that you should have cut the same length as these that will go up and down, and you will assemble those after you have the 9 center blocks assembled. So this is my other strip. So I'm going to go ahead and set that aside. And I have also assembled the lunar sliver strips. So we have a block wide piece of sashing, a lunar sliver, a block wide piece of sashing, and another lunar sliver to complete the sashing row. And if you notice, my lunar slivers are going opposite directions. That is intentional. If you did not pay attention to those instructions, you want to go back and look at that again, because every last one of those does face a different direction. Ooh, I have a little bit of lint, guys. All right. So there are my lunar slivers assembled into their strips. So if you need the visual reference, let me grab mine back up here. See if I can hold on to both strips at the same time. Real balancing act. All right, so they're going to go this direction. So that center block will go in between all of these lunar slivers. So we'll have 3 blocks on top here, 3 blocks in the middle, and then 3 blocks on the bottom. So we are waiting for the instructions for those 9 blocks to come through. So I guess we will see on Monday what comes out. If you are sewing along with this, if you haven't started yet and you would like to sign up, there is a link in the description box that will take you to where you can sign up for the Nocturnal Soul Quilt Along. There are prizes every week just for participating in the Quilt Along. There's also fun camaraderie to be had. Quilters from all over the country and outside of the country are joining in with this Quilt Along, as well as me here in Wyoming. So if you want to join into this, click that link down in the description box. There is a Facebook group as well as the weekly emails with the pattern information coming out, as well as how to sign up for the prizes. So thank you for joining me for this week's Nocturnal Soul Quilt Along, and I will see you guys next week. Next Friday, my video will come out. Bye!